Hyundai, because it's the ultimate weekend hangout with Hyundai. And for those of you who weren't able to experience it today, don't worry, because today is just day one. We still have another day tomorrow here at the MOA Concert Grounds for the Hyundai Weekend Hangout Day 2. We have something for everyone, so everyone is welcome. Your whole family, your friends, and even your furry companions. That's right. You can bring your fur.
Hello everyone. Hello. Okay, my name is Etienne Capacere. I'm the managing director of Hyundai Motors for all Hyundai supporters. With the success of our initial event, we decided to take it up a notch by adding more activities and offering that can truly make this weekend a memorable one. Here you can enjoy the following activities. We have displayed a beautiful lineup, special outdoor setup, and all overhead. Best opportunity to experience the comfort of the features of our cars, free after-sales checkout, ease and easy to daily order, special trains, plus two booths that offer more booths and everyday benefits. And of course, a special concert with God and I hope everybody is excited for G22, Rob Daniel, and of course, our main performer, Zach. Also, I would like to share the part of this celebration. This week is achievement of 100 million production classes. This week is a testament to Hyundai's close friend and commitment to deliver quality and innovative products to the world. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the show.
Just cars, right? Because we're here to embrace innovation, adventure, and of course, community with all of you guys. You know, Hyundai isn't really just about getting from point A to point B. It's really about the journey itself. excel, and the unforgettable experiences that we share along the way. And I think that's one of the most important things about just being here this afternoon and tonight, because we are here to celebrate just that. So everyone, take a look around. I see somebody, I know people from the crowd. Hello! All right, hi guys, I'm gonna see you later. Okay, now like I said, take a look around, everybody, from the stunning car displays to the vibrant interactive zones, buzzing with energy ever since earlier. Everything here is really designed to show you what driving is really all about, right? And it's meant to be fun, filled with cutting-edge technology, accompanied by great music, of course, and spent with family, friends, and your loved ones, diba? So today isn't just about watching. It's really about immersing yourself in the Hyundai experience firsthand. And it's about exploring the future of driving. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Hyundai Weekend Hangout! Alright, okay. Now to those who just arrived, we mentioned earlier that one of the highlights in tonight's event is our raffle, right? So we're giving away prizes. In case you didn't know, or in case Sarah didn't mention it enough earlier, I'm going to tell you what you're standing to win. Of course, for our first raffle draw, it's going to be open to all participants of the before service activity, and we are picking 3 lucky winners to take home JBL Charge Blue speakers. That's right. And then for our second draw, or for our second raffle rather, those who participate in the test drive, you have a chance to win, and we'll have 3 winners snagging Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. What? That's crazy. And of course, our third raffle. This one is for those who made a sales inquiry in our consultation area earlier. Raffle of tonight, for those who took the plunge and reserved their very own Hyundai car, you get a chance to win a Samsung UHD 55 SUV. Wow, I want that. Can I just get that for myself, please? Thank you so much, Hyundai. Thank you in advance. All right, now I'm sure nobody wants to miss that. And you know what? You might have already won. Who knows, right? All you gotta do is to wait for the notification message for all raffle winners, okay? So just regularly check your phone. Who knows, you might have won one of our raffles, okay? So here we go. It is a total win-win. Of course, you get to test drive all of our Hyundai vehicles and you get to win amazing prizes. I'm not gonna call them out unless you give me your loudest scream. Are you ready for our first performer? Of course, there we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Our first performer is the hottest, and I say hottest, girl group in town, of course. Yes, that's right. Elevating P-pop to thrilling heights with their fierce talent and dynamic performances. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for G22! You'll be back again, even when I try. You'll be back, cause you know me like a boomerang. Go back, hands tight, boomerang. Keep a boomerang.
thank you all for coming out tonight. Ay, ang dami mo nalang energy.
Ay, paano yung mga nasa side dito?
Ay, medyo pagod na yung nasa right side.
Naku po, parang isa pa. Paano na kayo?
All of that is coming up, of course, and who knows, you might have already won. So make sure to check your phones for that notification message whether or not you won one of our raffles. All right? Now, speaking of amazing things, it is time to go to our game. That's right, everyone. We are playing an awesome game right now, and this one is called Name That Tune. So, at this point, I'm gonna go off stage, and I'm gonna be here we go. First song, DJ, hit it! Una si Kuya. Sure ka? Title and artist. Game?
G22 Boomerang.
G22, ay, parang fan siya. Love it! You're correct! You just won our special merch from Hyundai. I think a lot of people won that earlier. So, Hyundai, what's up? I'm right here. Thank you in advance. Okay, now we're gonna play. I'm so sorry. I mean that. No, so I'm not sorry. We'll play the next song. Is everybody ready? Wait lang. In fairness, nauna si Kuya. Promise, I swear, it's my line of sight, nauna si Kuya. Sorry. Okay, alam ko, matatama. Tama yung sagot mo dito. So, bawal mag-research. Hindi, joke lang. I think they were just gonna take a video of him. Sorry. Okay, so what is the title and who is the artist of that song?
Bini Bini by Zach Taboda.
Yes! That's correct! But, before you get your prize, I want you to sing the chorus, the first line of the chorus. What's your name?
Rudy na lang.
Rudy. Give it up for Rudy, everyone. Okay, Rudy, in 3, 2, 1, go. Sabayan mo na lang yung song kung ayaw. Kaya ni Kuya. Wait lang ha. Wait lang, parang Guys, I was shooketh. Wow. Okay, kaya ni Kuya mag-falsetto. I forgot to give your prize. Congratulations. Okay, now, we move on to... Tignan natin kung kaya niya to. Wait, I'm gonna move farther again so I can see right here. Next song, DJ, hit it! Yung nandun, pwede ba yun? Saan siya? Pwede ba dun sa malayo or dito? Okay. Wow, hello. Okay. Dito. Girl, ano ba? Hindi mo alam? Oh, sige, siya na lang. Grabe siya. Ikaw na lang, ma'am. Okay, come here. What's your name?
Vic.
Vic, you are victorious tonight. Oh my gosh, I love me and my puns tonight. Okay, so Vic, what is the title of the song and who is the artist?
Habang buhay, Zach Taboda.
Yes, correct! Vic, congratulations. Would you like to sing it? Okay, that is a resounding no from Vic. So maraming salamat and congratulations. Hangout, give it up for Rob Daniel!
Hyundai.